Hi, I'm Matt Hobbs, the very new CEO of MTAA. Started in the industry at Holden, where I was working on government relations, and then I moved internationally and worked for Nissan as well. And now, after working for the FCAI, I've taken the reins of the MTAA. There are so many interesting things to work with, and the people are great. I really enjoy all aspects of the industry, right from the cars being produced by the manufacturers through to the end when they're recycled. There's so much opportunity. We don't always move as fast as we can, and I think the opportunity to work with all the different people in the industry to get the settings right for the future, for the electrification, gives us a really good opportunity to get some stuff done. Yeah, I think about the people I've worked with throughout my career, and people like Mike Devereaux, who was the managing director of Holden. He was a really smart guy who really took some difficult issues on and showed leadership, and I'd like to emulate that. Right, so my first car was a 110 Defender. That when you hit the door, the window fell down. It was great in Tasmania when it rained. The car I've got now is a Range Rover Sport, and my dream car, I really want to do up my mother's Mercedes-Benz 380 SEC, so I might have to find some people in the industry to help me with that.